Keep antennas at a safe horizontal and vertical distance from overhead power lines to prevent electrical hazards and ensure code compliance. For most residential installations, the practical thumb rule is to maintain at least 10 to 20 feet of clearance between the antenna and any energized power line, depending on line voltage and local code requirements. Start by visually measuring from the edge of your roof or proposed mast location to the nearest conductor and err on the larger distance when lines are medium voltage or when wind swing could reduce separation. Before any work, contact the utility company to confirm safe distances and get guidance on whether an inspector or a service crew must be involved for work near their infrastructure. Use only non-conductive tools and ladders when working near lines, and keep one person on the ground as a spotter to watch for sagging conductors or unexpected movement. Implement proper grounding by bonding the antenna mast to a driven ground rod with a continuous copper grounding conductor sized to local code, and add a surge protector or lightning arrestor at the coax entry point to reduce transient damage. If the antenna requires a tower or guy wires position anchor points, so stay clear of power line approach zones and place aviation markers if the structure reaches heights that create navigation concerns. Common mistakes include assuming a small clearance is acceptable because the line looks low or light wind swing will not occur, which risks arcing. Remedy that by increasing horizontal clearance to the higher end of the 10 to 20 foot guideline and consulting the utility. Another error is skipping professional contact and permits, which can lead to service interruptions or code violations. Call the utility early and obtain any required permits before drilling or erecting supports. A third problem is inadequate grounding and surge protection, which leaves the home and electronics vulnerable. Install a continuous grounding conductor to a driven rod and put a rated lightning arrestor at the coax entry and check connections annually. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors so we can find installers with experience handling antenna, siting near power lines, and coordinating with utilities. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips and ask questions so we can learn from others who have dealt with clearance, grounding, and permitting challenges.